Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure prerequisites are ready so the prevention works. First, update Messenger and your device OS. Outdated builds block privacy features. Once done, open the chat where screenshots were an issue so you can change settings for that conversation. Make sure app permissions include notifications and screen overlay control because those influence screen capture behavior. Now navigate to the chat info or settings icon. This first actionable step puts you where you can alter capture settings immediately, so proceed to the next screen. Once you're in chat settings, look for privacy or disappearing messages, and then the specific toggle labeled Screen Security or Prevent Screenshots. You should enable that option. Doing so prevents standard system screenshots and warns the sender. If your app lacks that feature, instead enable disappearing media and set media to view once, then restrict message forwarding to reduce capture risk. Also make sure app-level screen recording blockers are active under Messenger settings. These middle steps are the execution core. Adjust them carefully to enforce protection. To finish, test the settings by trying a screenshot in that chat or asking a friend to try. Alternatively, use a second device to confirm the recipient cannot capture content. If prevention fails, clear Messenger cache, sign out then sign back in, and restart the app. This often resolves permission and feature rollout inconsistencies. As a final fallback, only send sensitive photos as view once or use disappearing messages and avoid sharing highly sensitive items. If problems persist, check for app updates or platform policy changes as the troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.